Hey there, as you've probably heard multiple times and we'll tell you again, Microsoft is ending support for Windows 7 next month. That's only a few weeks away, so now is the time to upgrade if you haven't yet. Unless you enjoy having your computer open to endless vulnerabilities and being an easy target to hackers.
Before we get into it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell so you know when new videos are posted. Alright, let's get started.
Unfortunately, not all computers are compatible with Windows 10. Here's what Microsoft says you need to be able to upgrade.
If your computer is not compatible, you can at the very least upgrade to Windows 8.1. Although, it isn't much different from Windows 7. It will get you 3 more years of support from Microsoft.
If your computer is compatible, it's time for the fun part, the upgrade. Let's begin.
It's a good idea to back up everything before you get started.
Then go ahead and close any programs that are running.
Next, open a web browser and paste this URL in. Once you get to this page, it says you will need a license to install Windows 10. If you have Windows 7, 8, or 8.1, you should be good to go.
Click Download Tool now.
Once the tool has downloaded, you can click on it in the lower left side of your screen.
Wait a few moments for it to load and then accept the terms. You can now close out of your web browser.
On the next screen, make sure you select Upgrade this PC now and click Next.
Windows 10 is now downloading. This will take a few minutes.
After it has finished downloading, another license agreement will pop up. Click Accept.
Now, Windows 10 is checking for any updates that can be included in your upgrade.
On the next screen, press Install. This screen is confirming the install.
Windows 10 is now installing. This will take some time and your computer will restart several times.
After waiting, you will get to this screen. Windows 10 is now installed. Here you can choose your privacy settings and click Accept.
Windows 10 is good to go now.
To be sure that Windows 10 has been correctly activated on your computer, you can check by opening your File Explorer, right-clicking on this PC, and selecting Properties. From there, you can see that Windows 10 is activated.
There you have it. Your computer is now operating with Windows 10 and is supported by Microsoft.
Before you go, make sure to follow us on our social media and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Thanks for watching.
Bye!